Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung ating career reading for Water Sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat, ha. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa'yo, huwag mong pilitin. Kasi hindi naman talaga natin makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. This is career reading for Water Sign. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, sa TikTok, at dito sa YouTube. Meron siya sarili niyang YouTube channel. Start na natin. This is for the sign of water sign. Career reading. Okay, for water sign. You do offer the 8 of Wands, the Temperance. Kung ano man yung hinihintay mo, no? Sorry about that. Medyo guys lang ako ng upo. Kaya medyo maingay yung aking upuan, ha. Pagpasensyahan mo na lang. Anyway, the Temperance here. Kung ano man yung hinihintay mo, maybe may kinalaman ito sa family. I can see a good news, by the way. Regarding sa family, maybe a good news na na ipapamalita or malalaman mo. And I feel like pwedeng hinihintay mo na ito ay mangyari. And it is about to come. You do over the 7 of Swords. For what I can see here, kung sino man itong mga tao na hindi mo nagugustuhan yung sinasabi nila, the way I say this, you need to let go, dumistansya, lumayo. Kasi medyo magkakaroon ng conflict kung haharapin mo sila, kung makikipagsagutan ka. Kasi hindi rin sila kumbaga hindi sila para, baliwalain yung mga sinabi mo. So, para maiwasan yung arguments, yung samaan ng loob, at saka para maging matiwasay at peaceful lang ang lahat. All you have to do is, be quiet na lang at iwasan. Lalo na kung sila yung talagang boss or dapat masunod dito, or ate, or kuya, whoever this person is na may authority sa'yo. Lalo na kung sila yung may authority. Hayaan mo lang sila magsalita, or mas maganda, iwasan mo na lang, lumayo ka na lang. Kasi pwedeng magdulot ng pag-aaway, hindi pagkakaintindihan, sama ng loob. Ayaw mo nun. Okay, ayaw mo nun. For water sign, please. You do have here the 8 of Cups and the Empress. Two of Pentacles. Some of you can find love sa career mo. Pero may mga pina-priority ka, so I don't feel like dumating man yung love na yun, parang okay, meron. Meron ka pang mga pina-priority. I don't feel like nandun yung nagpapakita ka ng interest, or somehow tinitignan mo ito as a love na pwedeng makapagpabago ng buhay mo, situation mo, or whatever. And nakakita naman tayo ng a person who really wants you. Pero ang focus mo kasi career. And I feel like this is a once in a lifetime kind of energy. So kung may love na paparating sa'yo, actually this is the right time to accept that. No, yun yung nakikita natin. Kasi once in a lifetime lang yung dadating. And maybe this is the right time. This is some of you, this is a new person, some of you past person na magpapakita ito sa'yo or magpaparamdam sa'yo itong taong ito. Pag binaliwala mo din, ilang years na naman ang bibilangin mo to have this kind of connection or to have this kind of person. No? The world is here. Six of Swords. Ten of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You're feeling a lot of trauma. Ito yung time, actually, this April 2024, ito yung time na mag-heal or maalis yung mga trauma na meron ka. The way I see this is that, ikaw ito na pwedeng makaka-move on ka na sa mga trauma na yon. Kahit anong klaseng trauma yan, guys. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa family, friends, situation in the past, na hanggang ngayon naalala mo, nako, ganito ako, ganyan, kasi, you know, maybe you're finding explanation sa kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. And pwedeng mabago ito. Kasi this is like healing from past traumas. And the world is here. You will feel complete. Kasi yung dati, hindi mo nararamdaman yung feeling na kumpleto ka. Kasi nga, lagi mo naalala yung mga nagpapatrauma sa'yo eh. Pero with the Ten of Pentacles, this is success, guys. Especially financially and ano na rin, love related. Maganda yung sinasabi dito. Eight of Pentacles, you will be working on yourself, working, you know, you are focusing on your work, career. Pero nakikita natin na malayo ang mararating mo. There's success dito because you are focused eh. You're really focused. You want to build something. Gusto mo may mabuo ka or buuin ka. And ngayon, may isa sa katuparan mo itong mga bagay na ito. Nine of Wands is here and followed by the Four of Swords and the Ace of Cups. I really like yung reading pagdating sa love. This is supposed to be career, pero ngayon, you will be more motivated na magtrabaho. There's this spark, there's this happiness, and mas mamotivate ka na gawain yung trabaho na yun because of this, like maybe an admirer or inspiration. So, ito, healthy connection pagdating sa love kasi hindi naaapektuhan yung career mo, relationship mo with your career. In fact, nagiging maganda yung performance mo with your boss, with your business or whatever it is. Kasi etong person na dumadating sa buhay mo, nagbibigay siya ng kasayahan sa iyo, galak sa iyo eh. So, you might be not the Nine of Wands, you might not be sure kung itutuloy mo ba to or whatever kasi with the Four of Swords, nag-aalangan ka pa rin. Pero nandito yung kahit papano, this Ace of Cups is coming and you cannot stop this from happening. Etong pagdating nitong taong to, hindi mo mapipigilan. And once na dumating itong taong ito, nako, magbibigay yan ng happiness sa'yo. Pero may andun yung pag-aalangan mo, whatever your thought is here, pwedeng ito na lang yung nagiging hadlang kung bakit hindi mo maisa katuparan ito. But definitely, this is supposed to be career reading, pero sabi ko nga, ang ganda ng message pagdating sa love. There's happiness at the end for you. Kasi this King of Swords is coming. Hindi mo mapipigilan si King of Swords. Si King of Swords could be your soulmate with the moon, could be the one na lumalabas sa panaginip mo, and this person, eventually with the Eight of Swords energy, hindi na siya magpapapigil. Talagang dadating siya. Whether you like it or not. Ngayon, apektado yung career mo. Pero for the better. Kasi nai-inspire ka lalo. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.